everybody, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. I have another Disney video for you guys today, and today I'm just going to be sharing with you really quickly, hopefully, kind of my review and my thoughts on Disney mobile ordering. I talked about mobile ordering back in my How to Not Wait to Eat at Disney video. I'll try to remember to link it. I also talked about it in our trip recap video that I just did. Basically, Disney mobile ordering is where you can use the My Disney Experience app on your phone to order food at select restaurants at the 4 theme parks where you don't have to wait in line. Now, if you've ever eaten at a quick service restaurant at Disney World, which basically is the type where you get a tray and you go order and you wait for your food, if you've ever done that and you've done it during a busy time of the day or a busy season at the parks, then you would probably remember that you waited forever to place your order, you waited forever to get your food, and then you had to go and fight for a table to sit out to eat your food. So mobile ordering has really changed that, and it has been, from our experience so far, a great thing. We really loved it. This trip was our first time using it. It's been around for a little while, but I always forgot to use it. So this trip to Disney was actually our first time using it, and let me just say, it is a game changer. Not every quick service restaurant participates in mobile ordering, but there are quite a few at each theme park that do participate. Hollywood Studios is where we used it. We used it for Woody's Lunchbox, and we used it for Pizza Rizzo. All you have to do is get on the app and click on the Order Food button, and that will show you all of the different restaurants at each park that are participating in mobile ordering. After that, you pick your restaurant, do your order on your phone, and then you pay on your phone. So basically, once you've done all that, they will notify you on your phone whenever your order's ready. So you can go wash your hands, you can take the kids to the bathroom, you can go look for a table to sit at, get situated while they're making your lunch, and then you'll have a table to sit at. Everybody will be nice and clean, their hands washed, and then they'll notify you when your food is ready, and all you have to do is go to the mobile ordering pickup window. It's a separate window. Get your food, go sit down, and enjoy it. It saved us so much time. It saved us so much hassle of having to try to look for a table while holding trays and watching kids and everything. It was so nice and convenient, and I can't say enough good things about it. I hope they add even more restaurants to it. It's really user-friendly to use on the app, and that's it. I mean, there really isn't a lot to say about it. It is a game changer, though, when it comes to eating at a quick service restaurant at Walt Disney Park. So make sure that you are using mobile ordering the next time you go to Disney. Try it out, see what you think about it. I'm hoping they add more resorts. I think right now they just have one resort, one restaurant at a resort that does it. But I'm hoping over time they do add more, because I know when we eat at our resorts, like kitchen, cafeteria, there is always a long line for a couple of the different types of food. The pasta line is always really long. Some of the other lines are long in the morning for breakfast, so I do hope that it's something they add to the resorts as time goes on. So I highly recommend that if you're at Disney that you use it. If you're planning a trip to Disney, I would recommend going ahead and downloading the My Disney Experience app if you have not already, and kind of play around with it a little bit, kind of get the feel for how it works and which restaurants participate and which ones you may want to try out the next time you're at Disney. Kind of get ahead, get a game plan going, but it is really user-friendly and works really well and makes things a lot easier. So I thought I would share it with you guys, just a quick review, a little bit of a tutorial. So hopefully it was helpful. If it was, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and make sure, if you haven't yet, you check out my Disney playlist. It's linked for you guys in the description box. Every single Disney video I've ever made is in that playlist, and there are tons of them about planning and packing and organizing on a trip and saving money and keeping kids busy in the car or the airplane. All of that stuff is in my Disney playlist, and I have it linked for you guys below. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. Box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.